some worries for me enemies. Real hard take you, me tell you, but me can't dog, no feel me a shake. So my foe, just my foe, no peace can't make. Me know I love her that real and fake, so my fuck up.
Lord, the dogs, I don't want them, I love it for real and fake, but I find them big body girl. You hear me I say? Man in a mansion and walk around with bare naked girl running. You don't know what that is? What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. So we're back in the with another video for you guys. Before this video begins, guys, please make sure you follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. You understand me? I'm trying to reach 10k followers on the Instagram. We have like 33,000 subscribers on YouTube, but we can't have 10k on Instagram. So go follow me at Tyrekevlogs. When we reach 10k, I'm gonna give some giveaways. Pan my Instagram, so I'm ready to go over there right now. Right now, people have a song called I Wish by Masicka, official video. Song just premiere yesterday, but I posted 4 videos yesterday. And it's like YouTube said no notification at all. None of them don't hit the notification. Like nobody knows that I posted 4 videos today. I posted a Belize reaction. I posted a Barbados reaction. I posted Shensia Badalone reaction. And I posted a Trinidad reaction to T-Man. Militant Skilly Brain Crocodile Tea reaction. Skilly remix, I should say. But check out the channel, people. I post every day on the channel. Enough video. Understand? Well, make sure it's on the comment part of the video, see your comments video that I post. We'll get straight to the video right now. Masicka, run through. This video is going to be contained of a lot of chopping up and pausing because YouTube will start delete the reaction videos. So, just make it know. Run through!
I wish you forgive me for living like this.
Glock roll out again. Right now it's like a story I could tell people. I could get in the story mode and relax and build vibes right now, people. Big up to Hideout Clothing. In that story mode. Go on!
Wish you forgive me for living like this. Yeah, I wish.
Alright, now what go on?
Reach for the stars if I miss me catch your clothes.
Reach for the stars if I miss me catch your clothes. Yes, but I want to go on this one. Oh, she said, oh, boy. You see them something and sister, you can't pull up a man like that. No, never go on right now on the dog. People always tell us how the dog drive, you know. And they can't who you see out. See, woman see the artist see the dog. Run come pull up and you see first thing when the dog do, pull out him Glock. That's the first thing when him do. You can't come pull up a man so you get shot. Going in the streets, I Jamaica even know this. You see me, I say going in the streets like me. But go on.
Mommy said the money no matter, you make me proud.
Yeah.
You mean have the Glock chip, my badness loud.
Yeah.
You suck on the mother, you know my chopstick loud. Stay true to myself. Now watch this crowd.
The dog said, yo, Jano, Mama said she proud of same way. Same way. Jano, dog said wish. Could I start? Yo, go on, create some more stuff. Like up the video. Go on.
I freak out myself, I go lock this glove. Me like me in my 20s. Crack this code, pussy them a go like me no attack this.
Millionaire in our 20s, but not millionaire yet. In the progress, we are working on it. Watch. Go on, yeah, man.
Bro, fuck them, girl. Snatch them some.
Oh, that we out here, though. We're out here taking these boys, girls. We don't play with people. We're out here, we don't play with people. Run through.
Chop them whips, rock them gun. They think them tough, but watch them fall. So hey. Chop down brain for go shot them. And you know they got them cold.
Hey, people. If that's how you go on, but we want to be a famous in the comment section right now. Right now. Big up Bellies from yesterday. I know Belly's time, I post a video wrong time, I see me I said this so the views now come but I watch. Yo, me say that video I go on, but just saying I touch on a different way. I want to see BFI emotion in the comment section right now. Go on!
Go far, we have been told, but me I go there till me see my grandkids soul. So me I have my jugs, speak that shit. Bury me yourself and read.
That's how you must himself a reincarnate. Yes, but I that me attack. The dog said, nah, I go far. That him been told no. But him a live for seeing grandkids. Oh, let's see that. But go and tell him, say, nah, I go far now. Just go and tell him that no. But guess what? He must say, but him a go live for go on, yo. Reincarnate yourself, dog.
Someone worries for me enemies. Real and take you, me tell you, but me can't dog. No feel me ashamed. So my foe, just my foe. No peace can't make. Me know why you love her that real and fake. So my fuck up.
Lord, the dog say I don't want them. I love it for real and fake. But I love them big body girl. You hear me I say? Man in a mansion and walk around with be a naked girl running. You don't know that go? What do you know about the hey, what do you know about genocide? What do you know about the Yo, drop the emoji them. Drop the emoji them. Just drop the emoji them in the comment section. Just drop the emoji them in the comment section right now. Run it.
Wrong cut, full speed now break. Me feel like my feelings chop and sleep can't wait.
Sure.
Yes I wish. Mommy, can you forgive me for living like this?
Boy, mommy forgive you, brother. Mommy forgive you, brother. Me nah like she must forgive you. The dog say feel like him feelings drop and sleep and he can't wait. No, that you whole meds from that part of the song where man just said 2 years a while ago, dog. Stick a pin and hold heap of meds a while ago. Stick a pin and hold heap of meds, people. Una meds messy behind the song? I hope you not meds it. No, I hope you like that video right now. You can't watch the video right now and like the video. Please like the video so the video get recommends to more people. Not reactions are really do good numbers on YouTube, especially a Jamaican thing. You know what I say? So don't support the boy. If you watch it right now, don't support by liking the video. You see me say just from 5 more so the video get recommends to more people. You know what that goes. Yeah. Go on.
Tell me you don't forgive me for living like this.
John,
I wish.
It's like you met a singer for the retired bad man them basically for come out and say, yo, them want them pick to forgive them for living like this. You see me I say, them want to pick them for you and say, yo, I just saw life go. I don't know what to say, but it's like him just say, he want change, I just want his family them to forgive him basically. So you know, so the while retired bad man them go play the singer. You hear me? Them one little retired bad man them want to hear me. Go on!
Yes, I wish. Oh, yeah, make it up, me, yeah, man, tell me what you need. No man and no God, you know why anyway you bleed. But no friend kid, but you
the dog say, no man and no God, you want anyway you bleed, and he want make it happen. Me right that it says, my show the rope set speed as him I try show and say, yo, he want people who him love for forgive him for living like this, but he show the happening same way. You see me? And if, as usual, if you don't want to listen to this song without me pausing it, giving my reaction, which you click on the video for, a link to the original song is going to be down below in the description of this video. You can go pre it for yourself, because I'm making them know. Run chung!
We don't forget the amount of help and we help the amount of belly when we feed. I still no praise myself for praise jam. Take the lead, my life I move too fast, it's like me need to check the speed. Just can't believe it, like the Bible when me read some more.
I pray for you, man. But honestly, I realize right that's a to dog. I'm gonna go for Bumbo Cliff, say dog. Ja. I forget what I say a while ago because I see that well put action up on the screen a while ago, dog. You hear me? But what I get from that scene is like them wipe off the blood them off. I see me all like sins them all like left them when take basically that me I get. You know what I'm going to say a while ago. Now I like to go on.
Living while and drinking hard to get my weed. And if me ever let you down, I just feel all way up. Me have the fire and my soul, them could call me.
I'm really mad at that. Is his mother still alive or something? I don't know. I'm really mad at that. I don't know the story behind Masicka mother. Is she still alive or something, guys? I don't know what's going on. So, feel me right there, so I don't know. Go on, though. I don't know.
Some grow me rough, victorious, until the day I'm hold the dust. Got them yelling on my bed and she not blow me enough.
Yeah, I just want to give a say, come and talk about girl when I do them things at you. Yeah, you see, you're a rude boy, though. You're a rude boy. You're most Jamaican. You can ask someone if you give you, and you come and sing about them things and them songs same time. You're a most rude boy. Go on.
Full of leather, we don't know for bluff.
Sure.
Somebody in me hand and out the road, me tough. My gun load, God alone, my choice. Yes,
oh, me got. Wait, how that? I am that? Well, I pass. I feel you get a different level. Go on.
Mommy, can you forgive me for living like this?
Come on, prove by himself in white. I like that concept and I like that video. You see me I say, big up the director for that video. You see me? And big up Masicka same thing. I like it. BFI emoji for the video, but BFI emoji for the video, but BFI emoji for the song, but BFI emoji for the night, the message behind the song. BFI emoji. Like up the video. Go on.
Tell me you don't forgive me for living like this. Yes, I wish.
Buckley, the dog say about the goat. The dog are showing say about the goat. People, man, are showing say I'm a goat. When you get it, he is the damn goat. Big up probation. Yo, genocide. Nah, people Masicka just show say my goat. Me can't left for no, big up for yourself. Peace out.